YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike, and today I'm just making this video to inform you that I'm entering the No Product November challenge by Wavy Leon. The other day, Wavy Leon challenged me and 360 Louis to the No Cut November challenge. I said that all wrong. No Product November challenge. So basically, in this challenge, what we're doing is not putting in products. No moisturizer, no grease, no pomade. At least that's what I got from the video he made. And I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. I'm just making this video to accept that challenge. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be tough for me because I did just scout like a couple of weeks ago and I'm still trying to get this pattern to form correctly. But I'm still gonna try to keep up with this challenge. And, you know, I'm gonna try to win. I mean, we're probably all gonna win because we're probably gonna all make it to the end of the month without, you know, using a product. But this is just the video telling you that I'm going to accept the challenge. So, challenge accepted. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a 3WP silver edition brush. So go ahead and subscribe right now. You gotta be subscribed and you gotta be following me on Instagram in order to enter in the giveaway. My Instagram name is Waveman Mike, just like my YouTube name, but it has no spaces. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wavy Leon today. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Waveman Mike, Waveman Mike.